For those of you out there that have played the new COD, I have a clip for you guys. This is from a real game. Okay, so I spawn in, and and then I was dumb enough to just do the same thing again. Yeah, I was like, oh, hey, you know what? Nope. Spawn on the other side of the map. I'm good. Fresh start. Nope. I figured you guys could relate to that. It was really annoying at the time. I still haven't moved my cars from whenever I stuffed everything in for the storms. Oh, it's cold. Kind of. Oh, the water fell on my face. Hello. I've had a lot of fun playing the recent Call of Duty. I've played COD since, like, I was doing game battles for COD 4. Like, I was serious back in the day. Despite all the things people are complaining about this game, I think it's just so fun. Oh, cold start. There it is. But I've got my COD kick out of my system now, and I'm ready to get going and ready to get working again. I've got 2 huge mods for this car on the way. Oh, dude, look at that. Look at this, dude. It's my favorite. Seeing the little smoke come off? Some really, really sick mods that I've been waiting for a long time on that car. I've got a couple things for this car I haven't shown you guys yet that's here, but as you guys can tell from the title, we're finally gonna be working on the Civic today. I gotta show something to you guys on the Civic. Oh my god, dude. I didn't even realize this. I think Jerome's dead, bro. I haven't, you've been in here for a month, dude. He's not even responding. I got you, bro, don't worry. I had something funny I want to show you guys. It's kind of funny, kind of sad and depressing, but I'll show you anyways. Bro, it's so cold outside that the hydraulic fluid is not like, oh, it's taking so long to stay down. I decided not to paint the engine bay or anything. I still wanted this to look and feel like a budget-conscious build. If we ever do a K-swap or all-wheel drive or anything like that in this car, then we'll end up doing something cool with the engine bay. But for now, whatever. Yeah. So when we were working on this the other day, so my lift has a top to it, right? And somebody was operating the lift, and it kind of destroyed the top. So I'm gonna have to have Jose do some body work and fix the top for me. And I've gotta get a new sunroof. So if anybody knows where I can get a new sunroof, that would help me out a lot. Anybody knows where I can get a sunroof for this thing, please let me know. All right, dude. I like this delivery service.
Yeah, good delivery service.
It's like the good UPS. Dude, that looks awesome.
Garage is looking pretty nice.
Yeah, I cleaned it for the first time since you guys were here, so. Do I have a beautiful video for you guys? Ethan got some footage of this. He's gonna upload it for his on his YouTube channel. It's looking good. It's rotating nicely. Excited to get this thing in finally.
There was so much grinding.
Yeah.
So much. Putting it together, you know, and then, oh, no, it still hits here, make a mark, make a mark, make a mark.
Oh, man.
Take it back apart, grind, grind, grind. Yep. Yeah. Clean it all up, then just like metal shavings out the wazoo. Yeah. So it took a lot of effort to clean everything out, opened up all the oil passageways, and which is something that probably, you know, should be done anyway. So
yeah, sure.
I'm feeling extremely confident and happy about this motor now.
Wow, all right. Well, so here's our built bottom end D16. And big thanks to Action Clutch. We're gonna have a nice grippy clutch for whatever power level we decide to have. So that motor's gonna be built and it's going to be able to hold a decent amount of power, even without the sleeves. We have this, dude, this is a small clutch. This is it's a Honda sized clutch. I love using Action Clutch. They've always been good to me. Drifting, drag racing, whatever. I love the quality of this. Thank you, Action Clutch, for sending us this. We also have some Hossport engine mounts. I showed you guys these. We have the D16 engine mounts. I'm really excited. It's gonna clean up the engine bay a little bit. And then of course we have behind Jerome, we've got some more parts over here. Got new head studs and new head gasket and stuff like that. ARP clutch bolts, and then you got flywheel and flywheel bolts, I'm assuming.
Those are the flywheel bolts.
Oh, these are the flywheels,
right,
you have the clutch bolts. And like I told you in the beginning of this video, I have something super special getting delivered today.
I figured y'all was car enthusiasts. If I was you, I'll take a picture
I doubt anything wrong. They did a good job protecting it and all that. Should be okay.
It's like a refrigerator.
It's a refrigerator. Okay, we got the ARP head studs on, and now we're about to get the head on. This is last time you'll see these beautiful pistons, hopefully.
Ever.
We are going to be doing some head work, but because it's so simple to do, aside from the block, we're going to go ahead and get everything kind of mounted up and figured out. But I am going to be doing a bigger cam and valve train stuff, probably an intake manifold and stuff like that as well. So it'll be crazy cool. But for now, stock head is going to work. Yeah, so that's nice and clean. It looks good. I cleaned up the valves and stuff too. There you go. I would like to get all this sort of cleaned up. It's pretty nasty. Then she's gonna go into the car, and today we're gonna go ahead and put the trans on, get the garage cleaned up a little bit, get the action clutch on. We just had Ryan go and grab a flywheel for us. All right, so the flywheel has been mated. Again, if you guys don't remember, this was a automatic. I mean, this came off of an automatic car. And again, one of the nice things you never see ever again, the cool clutch and the cool flywheel and the cool pressure plate.
Yeah, you get one pretty picture of it. And then
one pretty picture of it, one little flex, and then it's gone. Okay, so action clutch is officially on. Everything's torqued to spec, everything's good. Actually, I have something funny to show you guys with the trans. I just cleaned it up a little bit, and I noticed, I think a clutch exploded in this trans. You can see that big gash there, huge gashes there. It was actually like welded there to repair it. This came out of my EJ, and I knew when I bought the car that it had been through some stuff because it had like holes for an intercooler and stuff like that. The guy said it hadn't, but in opening that up, that car had seen some better days. But we're gonna use that, convert it to manual. We're gonna end up doing a little bit more stuff. I gotta order a couple things to actually convert the car to manual, but it shouldn't be too terribly tough. Let's get it, dude. Look at that. Ethan swapped. Now we're getting the Hotsport motor mounts in. Check out the old mounts. Look how nasty that is. Ethan, we're gonna go two-step without the motor going. That sounds disgusting. Oh. Watch me, unbeliever. Ah. This has been paused for just so long because of the rod issue. Not that it's an issue, it's moderately common, could have been avoided, but it's been really paused. And I'm very excited to continue this and get this fabricated and running. I think having a twin turbo Civic at the drag strip is gonna be so much fun. You are clear? Good, good, good. Okay. Now before you start lowering it down, let me know. I need to put this little rod back there. Slide it onto this first. There you go. Now it should slide back into its home.
Oh wow.
That's perfect right now.
That went
so,
a little too easily.
Dude, those mounts look gnarly. The back, we've got the back mount on. I had to buy a T-bracket for the EK. It's slightly different, and I didn't have it from the EJ because it changed. So I bought one of those. I do need to buy the little bracket that goes on the motor mount here because I kind of maybe threw away the automatic trans with it still on. The next steps are going to be obviously to get the master and slave cylinder installed and then get a third, the third man pedal. Then we're going to get the turbo mounted and everything. I'm probably gonna have to end up getting rid of AC for this because that twin turbo setup is going to take up a lot of this little area right here, and the exhaust, I'm gonna have to use a lot of this portion of the car and probably go straight out either the side or the dump out the hood. So the motor is in, guys. I'm really stoked. The car is pretty close to being a rolling driving car again. Big thanks to Ethan at Trackstar. He did all the grinding and stuff. I showed you some pictures earlier. He got this to work. And then Max Speeding rods, they sent us turbos and the rods as well. So just so you guys know, if you guys do end up doing this, you'll have to go to a machine shop and get some stuff figured out. But I do have a discount code for you guys in the description so that you guys can check out their website, get some coilovers, get some stuff like that. But we're back at it. I missed the Honda content, and I know a lot of you guys have as well. All right, it's sunny again, and the day is over. I'm just gonna let you guys know, whatever's in this box, what's in this box is more valuable than the entire car and build above me. It's gonna be so sick. Can't wait for you guys to see it. I could kiss this car, but I won't do it because it's weird. My daily advice for you guys, I know a lot of you guys are going through a lot right now. Everybody does. What I want you to know is that we're never put through trials. We're never put through situations that we're not strong enough to make it through. A lot of people think that whatever's going on currently in their life is the end, and I'm here to tell you that it's not. We're never put through more than we can handle, no matter what. I'm a huge advocate for supporting people with depression and anxiety and stuff like that, and I wanted you to know that suicide is always a choice. While depression is not necessarily a choice, that's a chemical imbalance in your brain, you can still choose to understand that whatever's going on in your life is breakthroughable. You can push through whatever's going on. As hard as it might seem, and as desperate as times might feel, you can make it through, and you will make it through, as long as you believe you can. There's a lot of stuff that goes on in my life you guys don't know about, surprisingly, and there's been a lot of stuff recently I probably won't talk about for a while, but I'm telling you what, no matter what, if you just look up, things don't always tend to work out perfectly or better instantly, but if you consider all things, life's not that bad. You can make it through it. Peace out. I gotta show you guys what's in this box next video. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye. Soft Squishy Boy says to watch the video, one of them or both of them. Don't choose 0. If you choose 0, then I'm gonna have to whoop your ass. Okay? I don't say that lightly. I'm gonna have to actually just whatever. Have a good day.